Hey, how's it going, everybody? This video is for how to buy Safemoon as a workaround. Recently, I tried buying Safemoon and I used TrustWallet, and TrustWallet does not allow you to buy BNB, which is the only currency that allows a transfer converter with Safemoon. So if you try to go into this application, as of this video's date, it does not give you the option. I can't buy it. So if I tried to buy something like Bitcoin, for instance, I would actually be able to buy Bitcoin. This is something you would actually want to see. You would want to see this option. But if this application doesn't give you that option, this is the workaround. So let's go to our web browser, and we're going to have to type in Binance.us. Don't worry about it. It's already in the link in the description. Click on that link. Feel free to set up your account, verify your information, and then once you're all verified and good to go, you would see that you have a green icon that you're all been verified. Verification for me only took about 35 to 45 minutes, but other people's different. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually buy the currency. So um, I'm not gonna show you how to deposit the money, because you should be able to know how to do it. If you're messing with big cryptocurrency, you should know how to deposit Bitcoin into your account. So the fastest method in order to deposit money and get your account going as soon as possible is through Bitcoin. So you will need to actually buy your Bitcoin. You can use either platform that you want. I sometimes use Cash App. Cash App is real simple. All you do is basically you buy the cryptocurrency through Bitcoin. And then once you have that in your account, you just click over here, click on Bitcoin and click on send. And then you will type in the hash function that's on the website on the top right corner right here. So you will type that in, put in your credentials, everything else is good to go. And then well, it usually depends. Cash App usually sends the money within 30 minutes. But you can definitely use either platform. As long as you're sending to the right hash function, you should be okay. So then what you will want to do after that is you will want to click on buy crypto, and then you would want to sell it once it's been verified. I already sold and I already did everything. So you would just want to sell your Bitcoin, and then it'll be converted into USD balance. And then that way you don't have to wait 5 business days or just to wait for your money to come in, because I've done that and it sucks if you're trying to get into something real quick. So all you basically would need to do once you sell your Bitcoin, you will need to click on withdraw. Um, Actually, no, you wouldn't click on withdraw. You would click on buy cryptocurrency. Sorry. You'll click on buy cryptocurrency, then you will select BNB. Use the amount of money that you have available. I recommend you deposit at least around $75 worth of Bitcoin, because it is important for the actual amount of BNB that you can actually withdraw. So once you buy your BNB, it'll be in your account, and then you will actually go to withdraw. And then BNB will be at the top. You can select it manually here. Let's see, you can just type it in, BNB, and it'll look something like this. And the only reason why I know that you shouldn't deposit with your debit card is because I actually did that just to make sure what would happen. And even though it says I'm available balance, watch, I'm gonna show you. So pause this right quick. We're gonna go to the platform that you actually need to use in order to convert your cryptocurrency into. So you'll go back to TrustWallet. In TrustWallet, it has BNB as an option. If it doesn't have it as an option, you should be able to find it just easily. You click on DEX and then you can find it like that, for example. But you would just click on BNB, and then you want to click on receive, and you would want to copy your hash function like that. And then you would just go back and copy and paste the hash function. It'll tell you if it's incorrect. So if you don't see a red indicator saying, hey, this format doesn't look correct, then you're good. So then you will just click max, and then you'll click submit. So once you click submit, I can't do it right now. As I said, I did it by a debit card. So I'm saving you guys the time by letting you guys know that Bitcoin is the fastest method to get it in there as quick as possible. So all you would need to do, once you click on submit, it should be within your account. I actually got it in my account probably within 3 to 4 minutes. It was pretty quick. So once you finally have the money in your BNB, we're going to need to convert our BNB into SmartChain BNB. SmartChain BNB it's basically the same company. I'm not sure why they made it different. Maybe it's just kind of like Ethereum Classic and Ethereum, but they're both from the same entity. So all you would need to do is once you have your BNB in your portfolio, you would just click on the swap, and then you would just select the 100%. So it'll look something like that. If for some odd reason it'll let you go to 100%, select 75, and then keep doing it until you can't do it anymore. And it's just as simple as that. You click on swap, and then you will now have access to your SmartChain coin. TrustWallet, you can actually make an account if you don't already have one. Sorry, I didn't mention that. It'll look something like this. All you would basically do is create a wallet. You just click I understand. Now, disclaimer purposes, this is going to be different for everybody. This is not my actual current one for my Vault 1. Each vault gives you your own. So you would basically need to copy this. I don't know, write it down, screenshot it on a different device, take a picture of it, because when you go ahead, it's going to want you to type in all of those numbers, click on each number or word, sorry, in order from, so as for example, right is number 1. So you would have to click on right. So right. So it's going to say, yeah, that's correct. But if it's wrong, it's going to say invalid order. So make sure you have that in order. Okay, so back to where we were. So once you have your smart chain, you would just click on the apps, and then you would want to click on Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is one of the few vendors. I believe they are the only ones, because I've looked on YouTube and I basically only see Pancake Swap as an option. So if you've done this correctly, your balance should show that you have a certain amount of BNB smart chain, and then you just click on max. I have 0, so it's not going to let me do anything right now. So you will just click on the bottom right here, and then you will just want to select Safemoon as an option. Click I understand. And then you will click on this little gear 3-line icon. Make sure you set this to 12. I'm not sure why they want you to do it that way, so the trade can go away quicker. And then once everything looks good, you should be able to enter, or not even enter amount. Once you click on max, it'll give you the max Safemoon you can buy. So you don't even have to do that. So you would just basically click on submit, and then it'll bring you to this page, and then it'll say, okay, it's been successful. And then once it's all done, you should get something like this. Swap, so whatever you are putting into your currency. So in order to actually put the Safemoon into your Trust Wallet, because at first it's not going to show up like this, how you see mine. It's not going to show that. So you would basically need to make sure you click on this little time icon, and then click on this green link, and then you would scroll all the way down, and then you would want to click on the last from Safemoon, bam, right there, and you will want to copy that contract. So once you copy that contract to add it to your portfolio, all you basically do is click on the top right icon, the gear icon up here, scroll all the way down to custom token, select network, say smart chain, and then make sure you don't copy and paste like this. Don't do the long press, because it's not going to add automatically. I'm not sure why, so just click on the button like that, and then once you click on that, you're done. All good to go. It should automatically populate for you once you click on done.